Hi, friends. Welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today I've come with a bakery style biscuit recipe coin biscuits or egg biscuits. We all would have enjoyed this biscuit one time or other. These are nice, crispy, delicious biscuits. So let us see how to bake these biscuits. For that, I have taken 2 eggs. Into that, add a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of vanilla essence, and one or two drops of pineapple essence so that we don't get any egg smell. Beat well and add 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar. If the sugar crystals are too big, then pulse it in the mixer grinder and then add it. If you want the biscuits to be very sweet, you can add 1 more tablespoon of sugar. We need not beat the eggs till fluffy. We have to just mix till the sugar dissolves in the egg. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee or melted butter. And a pinch of turmeric or yellow color. Here I have added turmeric powder. And into this we'll add 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida and mix well. Add the rest of the flour also and mix it well. Add half teaspoon of baking powder and mix well. The batter is a little thick, so to get the right consistency, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of milk. In case you're adding more sugar, then maybe the milk won't be required. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of milk. If the consistency is not right, we won't be able to pipe the batter properly and make round biscuits. So now the consistency is proper. Let us transfer the batter into a piping bag or a plastic cover can also be used in case you don't have a piping bag. Place it in a glass like this so that we can transfer the batter easily into the bag. Now let us pipe this onto a cookie sheet. Here I have taken a cookie sheet and lined with butter paper. Into this we'll pipe small rounds. We'll have to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for around 15 to 20 minutes. And once the sides become golden in color, we can switch off the oven, and to make the cookies crisp, we can leave the cookies in the oven till it cools down so that we'll get nice and crispy biscuits. Let us bake the cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. We'll bake a few biscuits on stove top also. For that I have taken a small sheet like this, and onto this we'll put the butter paper and pipe the biscuits. I've kept a thick bottom vessel on stove and preheated for around 15 minutes. We'll keep the biscuit in this and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. The time will vary depending on the vessel used and the flame. We should bake at moderate heat. Now the cookies are ready. Biscuits are ready. It's come out very well. It's nice and crispy. So it's such an easy recipe. Please try the recipe and give your feedback. Would love to see your comments and suggestions in the comment box. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Press the bell icon and select all option. The biscuits which we baked on the stove are also baked nicely. They have also come very nice and crispy. Please try out the recipe. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.